Welcome to Trend Tuesday. Now the trend I'm talking to you about today is a color trend, and guess what that color is? Yellow. Yellow was one of the colors all over the catwalks, and it's filtering down to the high street as well, particularly an ochre yellow, which is gorgeous for autumn winter. To illustrate this trend to you, I've chosen this gorgeous midi length, it's almost got satin wood print dress from Warehouse. Quite a statement dress, probably not something you'd think about wearing during the day, but it's so important that we get as much out of our wardrobe as we can, and everything we buy needs to be something that we can wear in lots of different ways. So here I've styled it as a day look. So what I've done to do that is I've layered over this floral knit from Warehouse in a similar colorway, so it all still ties together. I've ruched up the sleeves because I really want the yellow to come through and make it pop. I've added a waisted belt just to shape the waist, but you could also leave it plain as well, and then teamed it with some long suede brown boots just for that lovely luxurious autumnal feel with a practical edge, and then topping it off with a faux fur gilet just to add a layer of warmth and texture as well. And that just gives it a really nice autumnal feel and takes quite a flashy, bright, bold dress and makes it more wearable as a day look. To get more wear out of it, we can also take this, transform it from day to dinner. So in order to do that, just changing a few pieces as we go. So there you have it, day to dinner in a big yellow flash. This yellow dress is really got that zing factor, and it's so on trend just because of its fabulous color. And this is a great color and an alternative for the Christmas party season. So to take it from day to dinner, what I've done is I've just swapped the belt, taken the knit off, I've added a little gold belt, which I think really just, again, defines the waist and adds a little bit element of glam factor, shine, and a diamante necklace, which is, a choker necklace and just adds a little bit of bling. And then just to top it off, because really it's all about the color of this dress, I've added an aubergine faux fur throw to create a bit of a color block, something different. And I think it's all, you need to think about so many things when you're getting dressed, but don't just go for the neutral. Sometimes introducing another color, particularly if it's a one color, one piece wonder, just adds that extra dimension, which makes it look more stylized than just putting it with an expected neutral. I think it's a fabulous dress that you can take from day to dinner and get a lot of use out of this autumn winters. If you don't have yellow, definitely time to start thinking about yellow in your wardrobe, or even for your Christmas party look this year.